Updating your payment information on Wells Fargo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account summary. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Account Services menu, find the option for Payment Information or Billing Information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your information. You will see your current payment methods listed. Choose the payment method you wish to update and enter the new information as required. Make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. Make sure to log out of your account after making changes for security purposes. Keeping your payment information up to date helps ensure smooth transactions and avoids any service interruptions.